What's up guys, happy Thanksgiving. Today's video is a bit of a surprise because I've got my Roth Sun Valley in my parents' master bathroom. Originally, I said I was going to sell it, but when I found out how much the shipping cost would be, I figured I'd be losing more money than making it, so in the end I didn't sell it. Fortunately, my parents said that they needed a fan in their master bathroom, so yeah, we took down that can light that was originally there using a can converter and put this bad boy up. I've already made a video on this, so I got this fan in August of 2023 for like $70. It used to be one of the most expensive fans on Lowe's for what I said earlier, the shipping cost of the shade. And it's really two fans in one. If you take off the shade, it becomes an Roth Dexter with 5 lights instead of 6. So yeah, here's the remote here. And let's turn on the light. Flip the switch. Turn on. There we go. So here's the light. It has a range of ambiances and can be dimmed by holding down this light button on the Roth egg remote, as you can see. So it dims so much so that you can barely see the halogens. So I think that's like full dimness. And then here's full brightness. And let's start up on low speed. This is going to be a pretty hard fan to film because essentially this fan is a chandelier with a fan inside. So let me go show you inside the fan from the bathtub. That's low speed. It definitely serves its purpose in the master bathroom. I just took a bath today just to test out how it would work, and it did a really good job of regulating the temperature from a hot bath and also making sure that I was dry once I stood up. So it is a great fan for a bathroom. That's like bottom view, but again, like I said, this fan's pretty hard to film, so you can't really get the angle. Here's medium. I also like to point out that this fan's down rod that it came with, I bought like a 12-inch down rod, but that proved to be way too long. It would extend to like right around here. So I had to retrofit it on a Casablanca or Hunter down rod. That seemed to work out pretty well. Here's me. Even with my phone's updated frame rate, it still doesn't capture how fast it's going. So installing this in place of a can light It wasn't the most difficult thing in the world, but there were some tricky steps. If you'd like me to post how I install this in place of a candlelight, let me know in the comments, and I'll go do that. I'd also like to point out that this isn't my first chandelier. I actually had another Allen Roth like this, the East View, in one of my old houses. But I think this one is just much better quality. It's less noisy, and it does a better job at illuminating a room up. I'll show you without the light for a little. Alright, I'm gonna kick it up to high speed now. Now the thing about these chandeliers is you can't really feel the airflow unless you're directly under them. And in this instance, that's what this fan was really meant for, and why we put it up. Because below where I'm filming is the bathtub to show you inside the fan, and it'll give you a really nice tropical breeze if you're like taking a bath and you just want a nice breeze. It's coming in at about like 1,400 RPM, so that's really quick for a ceiling fan. And it has some really great airflow. One of the best. Really great air mover, but again, it doesn't get that good of an airflow rating because you have to be like right under it. Here's a light. Really nice fan though. I'm going to show you how it dims real quickly. Spin down's really quick, but here it is. In summary, really nice insulation and really nice fan for this master bathroom. I really like how it looks here. And it definitely does a job for what we need it to do in the master bathroom. And definitely looks better than that ugly candlelight with one switch. I believe I showed you the tags, but if I haven't, it's made on October 2016. I didn't know they were even sold in 2016, but they very well were. So those, oh, there it is, 1016. And that will be it for my new permanent install in my house. And I'll see you in the next one.